Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert double brace in Google Sheets. So get ready started. At first open your Google Sheets document. In this video, I will show that insert double brace. Now going to the insert menu option. Now click for a drawing option. Now select from a shape. Now click for equation option. Now for click. Then click for a double brace, then draw a double brace. This double brace is a border, add border. Now going to the border edit option. Now click for a 8px. Now click for save and close option. That's it. Then we show insert double brace in Google Sheets is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.